If you have a large table of data in Excel, it can be useful to freeze rows or columns. This way you can keep rows or columns visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. Currently, I have opened one Excel sheet which has columns till L, and we have so many rows, till 35 rows we have in this Excel sheet. Now I will show you how to freeze the first row in the Excel sheet. Go to View tab in the menu section and check the section here, Freeze Panes, and click on Freeze Top Row. So now this will freeze the top row. Now the top row is frozen. If you see like one thick line is coming just after the first row, that means it is frozen. So just scroll down and you can see the effect here. And at the same time, if you want to freeze the first column, you can click on the freeze first column. Now you can see one thick vertical line is also coming after the first column. Just we'll see the effect here by scrolling further. Yeah, see this. And if you want to unfreeze all this, like just click on unfreeze panes, so everything will be unfreeze here. And if you want to freeze more than one row or column, just select particular cell. Let's say like I want to freeze the rows till fifth row and second column. I will highlight this cell and will select freeze panes. So now you see this one thick line came here after second column and fifth row. Now see it's frozen till fifth row, and at the same time columns also frozen.